Audio Jungle.
Okay. So our today's agenda is to study logical operator, the truth table, sample program, combination of if, else if, and other else, right? So we will start working on that now. So in logical operator, as I explained, we have three major operators. Those are and, or, and not. So how these they work? So I'll just explain this. So let's start with and. So the symbol that needs to be used is ampersand ampersand two times, right? So this is logical. It's a binary operator, right? So on left side, one variable or expression will be there. On right side, one variable or expression will be there. So look at the table on the right side. Sorry. Look at the table on the right side. First column is x, variable x. Second column is y. The calculation, how the calculation is performed on what value, and the output of actual AND operation on two variables, that is x and y. So last column header you can see x and y, right? So if x is 0 and y is 0, when both is 0, like left side and right side of AND is 0, then the answer will be evaluated as a 0. Okay? If x is last row, if last row I am looking at this table, if x is 1, y is 1. If both are 1, so calculation will be 1 and 1 and answer will be 1. You understand? And with second row from top, when x is 0, y is 1, at that time x and y evaluated to 0. When third row, when x is 1, y is 0, at that time x and y evaluated to 0. So anything that is 0 is false, anything that is non-zero is true. You understand? So what I was trying to explain you here little in more detail. So you can see here, if I have a variable, say x, right? X equal to 0, y equal to 1, then I can write this like x and y. So what will be the answer of this? Okay, let me open the table. Now see, 0, y is 1. So where we are fitting? Yeah. So somebody has given answer. Okay, how many of you? Okay, great. So this evaluates to 0, right? Because first is 0, that's why it is evaluated to 0. So if I do a reverse of this, right? If I do reverse of this, okay, let it be like that. Sorry. X equal to 1, 0. What will be the answer of this? what will be the answer of this?
0, 0.
This also will be 0.
0.
Yeah. So answer will be again, sorry, 0. Yeah. So if we proceed further, when I'm doing, what will be answer of this? When both are 0, case is when both are 0 at that time
0. 0.
right? This equation evaluates to 0. Okay, good going in the beginning today. Then we have both 1. Then what?
1.
1.
1. Right? So you can see ampersand only gives you output as 1 when both are 1. Otherwise, it will give you, just a minute, this is, yeah, now this is clear, I think. Yeah. Now, whenever there is a 0 in ampersand, that is logical AND operator on the left or right side, it will give you output as an 0. Whenever there is both are true, at that time only it will give me
1.
1. This is wrong, right? 1. This will give me 1. You understand this? X equal to A, Y equal to B, X B is what? What will be the answer of this?
संजय
अयो
Please mute. Please mute yourself. Okay.
Y.
What will be the answer? What are the answers that will be given by ampersand operator? See, I'm again coming back to the PPT. Now tell me, what are maximum answers that will be given by this logical operator, that is ampersand. What will be maximum output? What are the maximum number of output? How many outputs X and Y will give me at any moment?
Sir, B is equal to 7.
No, give me answer of, sorry. No, not with this.
Sir, B is equal to 7.
B is equal to 7. Oh, this is of what answer? We have to solve this. Which answer you are giving? See, my question is very simple. If you listen carefully, then you could answer me. Any moment any values, right, on left side or right side of an logical operator, what will be the maximum number of answers it will give me? I'll open the PPT table in front of you. You just observe carefully once again and tell me what are different, how many answers you can see in last column of X and Y? How many numbers? Is it that difficult, this question? Or you didn't understood? How many values are there in last column? Different unique values?
12.
4.
लास्ट कॉलम में कितने वैल्यूज है? किरण सेइंग 4. नो, युनिक व्हॅल्यूज. किरण, युनिक व्हॅल्यू. युनिक म्हणजे काय म्हणायचं त्याला मराठीत?
Excuse me, sir.
0 and 1, right, Manish?
Yes.
So any moment AND operation will give you either 0 or 1. It will not give you 2 or 3 or 4. Any moment logical operator return you only two values, that is 0 or non-zero. Simple. You understand? कळतंय का? Okay. So tell me, what is the output of this? X equal to A, Y equal to B. Don't run the program at your side. Just think and give me answer. Doesn't matter if it is wrong. We all are here to learn. मेरे से भी मिस्टेक हो सकती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, right? So don't fear about for making the mistake, giving the wrong answer, right answer. Doesn't matter what it is. Give the answer. Manish saying, Salim saying 2, Manish saying 0. Who else has given answer? Mrunal saying, Kajri saying 0. Okay. Shivangi 0. Why? Why not Y? What is that? Okay. Yeah, let me. Hey, Saurabh, you're right. That's my wrong. Either I'll make this Y. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. That's my mistake. So that's what I just told. Even I can do the mistake, right? That's a typing mistake. So now what is the answer? Dipali is saying 0. So somebody saying 2. Somebody saying B. Okay. Now what we will do, we will try to run this program quickly and we'll check. Okay. Let's go on the editor quickly. Let me know if you can see my screen. But before that, is not to charge. Hey, just a minute, my battery is getting drained and the charger is not. Okay, I'll look at that after this meeting ends. Okay, so let's do this program quickly. Let me know if everybody can see this program. Oh, sorry.
Sir,
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just try doing yourself also quickly. हमको देखना है कि उसका आउटपुट क्या आता है, राइट? What was the problem? Here.
of x and y.
Yeah. Here x equal to a, comma y equal to b. This one. Oh, sorry. I'll make it big. And then we have to check printf %d x and y, right? This is what we need to test, right? Control F9. Look at that output. Those who said 0, they have to correct their own compiler, that is your brain. It means you are not given an attention when I was explaining you that anything that is non-zero, right, on left side and right side will evaluate to non-zero value, that is 1. Just let me go back on the problem statement again. See here, what I said, okay, here, I want to come here actually. What I said, anything that is anytime if it has 0 0, it will evaluate to 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, right, and 1 1 means non-zero. This 1 is nothing but not actual number 1, right? It is an expression which evaluates to non-zero. Please consider that, please understand that, right? Anything that is non-zero on left and right side, then only it will come to 1. So that is the reason here A is non-zero value, right? B is also non-zero value. You understand? If I change this, oh sorry, yeah. If I change this, x equal to 0, 1. Now what will be the answer? Control F5. 0. It's not 1 0, it's a 0.
Yes.
Right? If I make this 1, 1. If I make this x